Imagine the freedom of journeying alone, exploring the world at your own pace. It's exhilarating, but for solo female travelers, safety is paramount. Here's your guide to secure, comfortable accommodations. First, do your homework. Research neighborhoods, focus on safety, proximity to public transport, and local amenities. What do other solo female travelers have to say? Their reviews are invaluable. Next, consider your lodging. Many places offer female-only dorms or private rooms, an added layer of security. Lastly, pack smart. Light luggage ensures comfort and ease. Prioritize essentials, versatile clothing, and compact toiletries. Remember, the world is your oyster, but safety first. You're ready to conquer the globe, one safe, comfortable stay at a time. If you crave more insights on safe, comfortable travel for solo women and other travel tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share the love. Thank you for supporting this channel, and here's to your next adventure.